Okay, we continue again. Okay, so we'll calculate URP. There will be adjustment which is unrealized profit. Unrealized profit, depreciation adjustment of fair value, and also impairment. Okay, so this will affect the group return earnings. Okay, so for unrealized profit, we have already calculate the figure. For subsidiary, we've calculated in when we are calculating in the statement of financial position here. Okay, whereas for unrealized profit for unrealized profit on transaction of between H and subsidiary, we'll calculate it when we calculate the investment in R under post acquisition profit here. Okay, however, I'll calculate it again. I'll work it out again. Okay, so this is the working. Okay, so this is the working. Okay, so unrealized profit of Ash, 1 million. Sorry. Yes, unrealized profit of Ash and transaction of Ash and S, 1 million, and unrealized profit of transaction Ash and R, 0.1 million. So this is working 5. Okay, so you already know on how to calculate unrealized profit from AFA 1, isn't it? Okay, so working 5. Okay, working 5. Okay, working. Okay, so is actually so from the calculation just now, we have this one is 0.1 minus, it will reduce H because H already recognize the profit, but since it is not so to the third party outside of the group, it shouldn't be recognized. So it's minus 0.1 and also 1 million. Sorry, I think it's with S is actually it's the other way around, I think. HR or 0.1, yes, it's the other way around. This is 0.1. Okay, so okay, that is the first adjustment, and then we also have adjustment in relation to the fair value of net asset when it was first acquired, 5 million yen. So now it has been depreciated for 2 years already. Okay, it has been depreciated for 2 years already. Okay, so we already have, I think we already calculate the figure. When we calculate post acquisition, ni. Okay. So 2 years already. Sorry. It is actually 2 years already. Okay. So this is the figure. So minus 2, which is actually depreciation on fair value adjustment. 2 years is 2. Okay. Sorry. It's not it's not for age to recognize, because it is if you look at this question, it is the account of R, isn't it? So asset of R. Okay, so it has to be adjusted in R return earnings. Okay, for the amount of 2. And then impairment loss. Impairment of investment in R. So 6 million 6 million. This one 6 million. So it is H investment, H-made investment. So it should be in this column. So it should be in this column. Six. Okay. Okay, so before we finalize everything, bear in mind, you need to also exclude pre-acquisition profit, because only post-acquisition profit will be included in the accounts of H. So you need to exclude the pre-acquisition profit. Of course, H tak ada lah. The H is parent, S and R. So pre-acquisition profit of R. So it's in the question. In R, in H, in S, in R 45 million, in S 20 million. Okay, so reduce it in the necessary column. 20 million is 45 million. So you will have this one 50 and this one 13. 60 minus 2 minus 45, 13. And then only you will take from S column, you need to take H share. So how many percent H own? Share of of profit in S. Yang ni will be included in the accounts of H. So 50, this one okay, 50 times 80%, H own 80%, so out of the profit that can be distributed, H will take 80%, so it will be 40 here. So dia akan masuk column dapat kepada H. Okay, next, share of profit. Share of profit in R. So ambil yang ni juga, the one that can be distributed, 13 times 1/3, isn't it? Okay, so 13 times 1/3 is 13 bahagi 3, 4.33. Okay, so 4.33. So you total everything in this column, you will get 105.23. 05.33, yang ni you masuk dalam group return earnings. So be careful when making adjustment. Be careful adjustment in relation to whose account. You need to know. Okay. Okay. So it will be included in the necessary column. So 105 point. Okay. One 05.23.